Hi, I'm Matt McCarskey. I am the development director at Carbine. I was also the art and creative director on WildStar, and I'll be answering your questions here on Instant Expert. Yes, down the road. Post-launch, we do have plans to add a hairdresser that will allow you to change out your hair, your face, any type of customization features. On launch, we actually do have body type now in the game. It's something we added late in the game right before closed beta. So we do have body types as well. Yeah, in the future, post-launch, we will be adding that so people could change the way they look in the game. WildStar is a new IP, and we really wanted to define some things with our IP, right? And when we looked at the class race combos, although technically anybody could be anything, we wanted to have signature classes for every race. And when we looked at the Granok, it made sense for him to be, big gun-wielding guy and have a sword, and they're kind of mercenaries, so they're into technology. And the Esper was kind of the farthest from that. The Esper is kind of more of, an intelligence thing, and the Granok, they're a little blue collar, so we just didn't feel like it fit. New mounts, yes. Actually, we have a lot of mount variants with the boom boxes. So if you get boom boxes in the game, you could actually find some unique mount variants that you can't get anywhere else. But we plan on constantly adding new mount types, both ground mounts and hoverboards, and customization sets for each of those. There is no Earth in WildStar. Just so everybody knows that Earth does not exist in WildStar. WildStar is its own universe, has no connection to our actual world. We have a post-launch feature that we call World Story instances, and these are single-player instances that we're telling the main storyline of WildStar. And in each of those instances, we're planning on fully VOing all the quests in that particular piece of content, because it's all about story and there's more drama, and we wanted the players to have a better experience with that when it comes to the characters. So yeah, right now the plan is post-launch world instances will have full VO. I think we've said that 30 days out, we will have a new zone. We will have what we call a post-cap play space that is kind of like a group event area where people could change the world a little bit, and they go back to an older zone, and the storyline is now continued. We're gonna have a whole set of customization, new housing items, new costumes, new mount customization. All this stuff is in the 30-day. And then the next 30-day drop is going to be a new PvP map. So we plan on doing 30-day content drops from here until the end of time. Some of the bigger things we've announced, we recently just announced that somewhere in post-launch we are working on guild housing. We do want to make some kind of machinima, user-friendly machinima movie maker within the game. Again, it all comes down to time. We have a whole wish list of stuff that we want to give the player. But right now, it wasn't in the works, but I know the guys, the cinematics guys and our tools department both understand that this is a huge, machinima has a huge fan following, and for people to make their own movies within our game would be totally awesome. And we all want to do that, and again, the question is always when.